Hello guys, I'm Aziz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you can add some details to your renders with Nano Banana. Okay, first of all, I will open my Nano Banana. Okay, now I need to bring one of my renders. I bring these renders that we work on it in previous session. Okay, now I want to add some details on my render. Okay, first thing guys, if you want to add making good details, you need to use also ChatGPT. Why you use ChatGPT? Because ChatGPT, it can give you too much good prompts. Okay, first of all, I want to add one woman with one man that they are drinking coffee near the window. Okay, I go to my ChatGPT. I tell ChatGPT I want one prompt for AI to add people in my render. One woman and men, they are talking near the window and drinking coffee. Okay, it gives me this prompt. I copy this one and I bring it and I will put it here guys. Okay, now we are waiting for the result. Okay, it's better guys to using ChatGPT for your prompts because it gives you full details and too much professional prompts, and it's amazing for making prompts. You need to use all the tools together. I think in this case you can achieve the good result. Okay, as you see, it's amazing. It gives me good prompt with two people, and I like it. I like it too much. Okay, now I want to just write add two kids that they are playing on the carpet with their toys. I add this one and I will check how is it going. It's thinking. Okay guys, let's go. That's amazing. I like it too much. As you see, two kids, they're playing and it's too much perfect. Okay, now I want to try with another photo. We will see how it's going. Okay, for example, I bring this photo that it's for kitchen. Okay, here I write I want one prompt that's a woman cooking in the kitchen and her husband help her and adding some kitchen items. Okay, I will wait. Okay, it's amazing. I will copy this one and I will put it here. Now we will see for final result. This is our photo and this is our prompt. Easily we can make this kind of prompt with ChatGPT. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, here we have our final result and it's too much good. They are cooking together with some items and I like it. One more thing, add one dog that's resting near the chairs, near the wooden chair. I will wait. It's amazing guys. I like this photo too much. Now I adding my details and I can save it easily. Okay guys, Hope you enjoyed this video. For next videos, I try to make some animations with Nano Banana or another AI software, and wait for that video. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. See you for next video, guys. Goodbye.